Hey guys, Mike here. I just got my package in for my camera. It just arrived. UPS. It's Thursday, 9/9/21, and I'm still have my work shirt on. Anyways, I'm pretty excited about it. So let's, without further ado, let's open it up. Okay, guess what we got here? It's a package. Let's open the package, see what we got. All right, I wonder if you can see this. Can you see that? Yeah. All right, look at this. Dare to Dream, Canon Video Creator Kit. Wow, look at all this stuffing. All right, what do we got here? We got dual pixel autofocus, Canon EOS M50 Video Creators Kit. Can we see at that right there? Will autofocus? Yeah, right there. Okay, we got a camera body, a 45 millimeter, 15 to 45 millimeter lens, battery pack, battery charger, a neck strap, and a video mic, and a 32 gig memory card. Cool. That's the side of it. Top of it, which we already saw. Here's the other side of it. And it has a flip screen. Alright. Let's open it up. If I can. These are always fun to open. There we go. Alright, on the very top, we've got a 32 gig scan disk. Alright. Now it looks like I'm going to have to open it up upside down and bring it out that way. And yeah. Okay. So we got the boom mic and the camera itself. Pretty cool. There it is. It's the boom mic. Nice. And the camera. Let's see if I can open this up. Got the warranty. Yeah, it's a warranty. Yeah, limited warranty. Manual. Registration. Got the strap. Got power battery. Got the actual camera itself. Look at this. Here's the camera. Right there. See it? Yeah. Cool. Alright. What else we got? Okay, we got a wall charger. And what is this? Oh, this is the lens. Yep, there's the lens. And it goes on here. Okay. I'm going to probably charge this up, the battery up, and then put it all together and see how it works. And my next video, portion of the video should be with this rolling. See you in a second. Okay, so we got that opened up. Wow, this light variance is really bad. Can't wait to get this camera up and running. This is my phone right here. Oh, there, that's much better. Okay, right now I got my charger going. Right there, it's orange. I'm waiting for it to turn green so we can pop this battery in that camera, and then hopefully I'll be able to see you guys in a different resolution and whatnot. See you in a second. Okay, so I got my camera going. I hope the resolution is good for right now. I am on the highest quality, and hopefully, and I am not using my microphone. But yeah, hopefully the transitions autofocus. I did put the 180 or 128 gig stick in here, so yeah, hope you guys can see this quality of the picture. And I don't have the actual microphone on top. I'm just testing the actual built-in microphone. So, and that's a test right there. We'll see what that sounds like. Okay, so here I am, back in my, my junk pile, or my office /office, and I'm here and recording this. Hopefully you won't hear that fan too much. The quality, I did check it out on the computer. It's awesome. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. Let me zoom out and see if you can see that, a wider view of me. Okay, so it's auto focusing on my face right now, and it looks pretty cool. I have the screen right here to the right. It flips over and you can actually see what you're looking like. And so far so good. I am really pleased with this camera so far. It's awesome. 2 thumbs up, or 1 thumb up mirrored. Anyways, Well, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the future.